social sex. Human balance survive. Human body survive. Survive.
Hello everyone and welcome once more to my channel. Hi, so this week I had a couple of technical problems. They are already solved, but I had to come up quickly with an idea for a video. So yeah, it's gonna be short and sweet. Today I'm gonna share with you my daily makeup routine. This is something that I do almost every day to get ready and work from home. It's simple, it's glowy, it's very easy, and on top of that it doesn't take me a lot of time. My main focus for my everyday makeup is to correct my skin. I have plenty of acne scars and I am trying to get rid of them. It's so frustrating. So I try to cover up my skin really nicely. I like to have a natural finish, well corrected skin, and I like it a little bit dewy to give myself this radiant appearance even when I haven't slept for like 3 days. I personally don't do a lot in the eyes because it takes me a while. So my main goal basically is to look fresh, well rested and healthy. I wish I could be the three of them at the same time, but unfortunately I'm not. Okay, so I normally start by pinning my hair. I apply some lip balm on my lips, and just for you to know, I don't have any primer on. I just apply my sunscreen, and after that I go straight ahead with my base. Lately I have been trying out this super famous BB cream by Misha. It has an SPF of 42, I believe. It actually melts into your skin really nicely and it gives you this healthy glow. To be honest, I actually really like it a lot, so I would recommend it. I apply it with a brush all over my face and on my neck. I do insist a lot on buffing the foundation out in the perimeters of my face. If you really want a natural finish, it's really important to insist on those areas so people cannot notice the difference between your real skin and the foundation. So yeah, just make sure to push the foundation really well and insist upon those areas if you want to achieve a more undetectable look, if you would. After that, as you can see, I go on with a beauty sponge, pressing the foundation farther into my skin. Next, I apply concealer on the darker areas of my face where shadows are being casted in order to lighten them up and lift my face a little bit. This one, I really like it. It's by YSL and it's really easy to apply and has a more luminous, light reflective, low coverage, so it's perfect for that. Of course, if you have a darker under eye, I would go for something that has a higher coverage. Again, I apply it using a brush and then I go over with my beauty sponge, pressing it into my skin. Then I go on with my cream blusher. This one is by Beauty by Mills, I believe, and it has a really beautiful, natural berry shade that gives life back to my face. It's quite stunning. I go on and apply it a little bit higher than I normally would for that lifted and more contoured, if you will, effect, and on my temples. A tip for achieving a more natural and youthful look is to, after you are done and to make everything more cohesive, you can sweep the residue of the brush over the bridge of your nose. In that way, you would put a little bit of blusher in that area and that would make you look more blushed. Indeed. Now that I'm done with cream products, I set my T-zone with setting powder. I use this small but not dense brush and I pat the powder lightly in the areas that need it the most. Then this is an extra step, you can totally skip it. I repeat the same step using this blurring under eye powder from my winter favorites video to make my pores even more blurred. Now using a big fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply the last powder product. It's gonna be bronzer. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You have to apply it on the perimeters of your face where the sun would naturally hit you and make you tanner. I am diligent yet delicate in the way in which I apply bronzer. I don't know why, I feel like it's really difficult to control powder products and I'd rather have a more diffused look than a heavy strip on one side of my face. Now comes my favorite step. This product is literally chef kiss. It's the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I put it on the high points of my face and this is like the secret potion that will give you this natural lit from within glow without any trace of glitter. and it's basically the cherry on top that makes the makeup look dewy and natural. At last, I go on with my eyes and lips. For the eyes, again an optional step, I use this gold brown eye kohl pencil by MAC and I apply it along my lash line. I blend it with my fingers to create the effect of a shadow and also to make my eyes pop. I think this is the whole goal of this step. Then I apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I am such a mess to apply mascara. I always get it all over my eye and then I have to go with a spoolie to remove it and it hurts. During the recording of this video, I was vibing to The Album by Blackpink. I don't know why, I feel like I'm turning into a K-pop stan and all of my YouTube feed has turned into compilations and fan cams of Blackpink and I am not mad about it. And here the sun was coming out and hitting me right in the face, so I had to change locations. I'm sorry about that. Finally, for the lips, I first use a natural color lip liner and that's pretty self-explanatory, followed by my favorite nudish pink lipstick, and at last I top it up with this berry lip oil by Clarins or however is it pronounced, to make my lips look juicy and moisturized. Alright, so this is the final result. Feel free to customize it to your own needs, and if you have any tips to achieve a more natural look, please let us know in the comments below. I am now gonna leave you with a couple of awkward shots of me being a clown. Okay, so this has been all for today. Thank you so much for watching this short and random video. I will be back next week with a different video. I was going to say my regular content, but I don't have one. As always, please remember to subscribe so then you don't miss any of my marvelous content, and to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at JeanEst. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you guys next week with a new one, and bye!